oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running.
Good afternoon, beautiful YouTube family. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. This is Christmas Eve, and what I'm going to do for you is something super special that a buddy of mine, Kurt Etelt, has requested, and I'm going to do for you a smoked rib roast. So stick with me. Cheers to you guys. Merry Christmas. So for today's ingredients, what we're going to do is we're going to smoke this 5-pound prime rib roast. We're going to use Dijon mustard as a binder, and we're also going to do a little bit of sage, thyme, and rosemary for a rub, along with some salt and pepper and garlic. Approximately 6 garlic teeth. So if you don't mind, click the show more. I'm going to put exactly the recipe I used to do this herb crusted prime rib roast. We're going to put it on the Yoder Wichita smoker. I got the turkey going right now. Let's get this rubbed up and done up. Cheers, y'all. So, what's up? You new here? Why don't you click on that subscribe button? Maybe that little bell if you're feeling a little frisky. Join me on this barbecue journey. Cheers, y'all.
Around, keeping people pleased, but this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Santa, The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride. And I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need. And my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight. Hey, Santa, sleigh bells ringing and my friends by my side, but it's not the same, Santa.
So it took me all of 10 minutes to prep that. Super easy. We've already got the smoker rolling right now, so let's go downstairs and get it going, y'all.
I'm smiling but feeling empty inside, 'cause all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride. And I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need. And my love I can guarantee. So please Santa.
Now's the time. We sit back, we relax, we enjoy a little bit more holiday cheer, and we get ready for the present opening tonight after dinner. We're gonna cook this prime rib roast to about 125. Then we're gonna rest for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna slice it up and we're gonna eat. Cheers, y'all. Hey, good looking people. We are about an hour and 15 minutes into it. We are at approximately 82 degrees. So we've got it right around 40 degrees to go. So it's not gonna take a whole lot longer. Let's take a quick turkey peek to see what we're looking at, guys. And also spritz that turkey. Can't forget that turkey.
Gifts on Christmas and late night on Christmas, and at least one.
Go home, have a good time, relax, do nothing.
This is iHeartRadio's iHeart Christmas Country.
Feel the blues, baby. Sensitations, sensitations. Y'all, it's getting late. Let me see what time it is. It is 7:33. So we're looking at about 2 hours into the cook. We are 122, another 3 degrees, so maybe 5 more minutes and we're done. I wanted to give you guys one last look before we make this baby go bye-bye for a little night, night, night. Check it out.
Bring back my love tonight. Oh, 'cause his love is all I need. And my
What's up, guys? We're at 125 degrees. Finally, we are ready to rock and roll. Let it rest for about 30 mics and then dig in It's Christmas time. I love you so much, you have no idea. It's cold outside. Baby, it's cold outside.
I can guarantee. So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight.
Some turkey! Yeah, you want some turkey?
Whoa!
Opa!
Free turkey!
Turkey for everybody! So thank you guys for joining me, Red Banks, on this amazing journey today. I hope you guys love the look of that prime rib. I've already had a few pieces here, but let me take one more piece without the sauce first.
Okay, man.
That herb rub is just fantastic, guys. And it's just so tender and delicious. Now with a little bit of that white horsey sauce. Ooh. Man, that's so good. David, you guys have a winner there. We're going to finish up our Christmas Eve dinner here. Thank you guys for joining me. Smash that like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you like what you're seeing. From my family to yours, remember life is about love, family, barbecue, and passion, y'all. Take care, guys.